Just real quick again for those who watch this at home and I didn't have it recording, so I'll run back through this. To find a negative 1297 degrees, we started right here and went this direction. That's 360, 720, 1080, 90 more would be 1070 or 1170, sorry, and 90 more would be 1260. That's negative. And so 1297 would be 37 more. That give us this angle right here. And so this angle would be 37 more than this one. And so then we said from here to here then would be 180 minus 37, which is 143. So then you would want to pause it real quick right now to record, to write this down. And so here is our reference angle. In this case, our reference angle is alpha. In this case, our reference angle is 180 minus alpha. When I say in this case, I mean when our terminal side is in quadrant 2. When our terminal side is in quadrant 3, it's going to be alpha minus 180. Because alpha is a number, say, 200. This angle here is, say, 200. So the reference angle, this angle right here, would be 200 minus 180, which would be what? Just be 20. Okay? And this one here, when we're in quadrant 4, then our reference angle would be 360 all the way around minus our angle alpha. And that would be our reference angle right here. Okay? So, what does this mean? Rule for the reference angle? Well, let me back up. I thought I had it written here. So, what I want you to make sure you understand is the reference angle is always measured from the x-axis. The closest x-axis. And you might want to write that down. The reference angle is always measured from the closest x-axis. Okay? And so if I take I'll go yellow here. This angle is our reference angle. In this case, this angle here is our reference angle. In this case, this angle here is our reference angle. And in this case, this angle here is our reference angle. Okay? We're referring it to the closest x-axis. And it's always positive. Okay? Our reference angle will always be positive. This will be important when we're trying to find the sine values, cosine values, tangent values, and more of any angle in the coordinate plane. Okay? We'll need to always understand what the reference angle is. Alright? So it's always positive, it's always measured from the closest x-axis. So it might be the negative end, as in here and here. It might be the positive end, as in here and here. Okay? So now, I'm going to pause this so you can copy down the reference angle rule.
Bless you.